play pi baro shkatuk Khubor jini kedem Bosco Media Network. Kimat ka kongsan mentara sing kilong. Kajinga penbet port kare kajingit kli juga sorta o menteri lama ka Meghalaya ukandat ke sama. Dawa ka All Khasi Hills Aceh Federation bantungkam hamana ki school baki college balpanya da sorta daki khasi badgaro. Persha ka Khasi Students Union ya kajing dawa jengki harijan banyo jaka 8,000 square feet kawai ka bangye. Ba play ka Bosco Youth Center ya kajing ajing hikai kan bhabre beautician course. Bagmantang ya phaj ki Khubor ki bakham banya. Menteri Khubor Na Ka Jylla ukonat ke sama hakasi balang ula ong ba kadai ka jingkit khlie jaga sarkar jilla ban penbet no ya upur usam bat ka asam ka bala sa teng de ki phau snam. Hendrai ula ong ban bawat laki dan ka hok ban kran hendrai em ya hab jingmut ban kun tho yanu shimet. Ula ong ru umdane ya kata ka jing thumu jaga Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ban ai mukadduma ya kata ka jinga penbet put habdeng ka Meghalaya bat asam.
Once the second phase is over, we'll be able to actually demarcate the actual geographical boundary. Having said that, there'll be different people who will see it in a different way. And all I can say is that it's quite sad to see that certain individuals have that kind of a mindset, even on such an important issue like this. I don't think there's any need to play any kind of personal attack or politics in this. This is the issue of the people. Our government has been very, very committed to it. I have been very committed to it. The chairmen of the different regional committees have been committed to it. There is no reason for anybody to doubt the sincerity and the intention of this government to find an amicable and best solution, keeping the larger interest of the people of the state in mind. What we are trying to do here is trying to find a solution to a problem. And a complicated issue like this cannot be solved by us putting documents on the table or them putting documents on the table. We have been mentioning from day one that this is not a division between countries. This is simply a boundary or administrative control within a country of India.
Ka National People's Youth Front hakasni balang kala penlong da ka jinga kundo lang jang baro ki samla NPP hasuso tham auditorium Shillong harangkat ka jinga dalang National President ka party ubaderu Menteri Khubor Na Ka Jylla ukonat ke sama National Vice President ba Preston Tensong na lor ki we hagani kasni layo ru ikikentin kentu kan tham na National President ukonat ke sama National Vice President ba Preston Tensong State President ke NPP Dr. W.R. Kharbuki James ke sama kumjuru na NPYF President Bakit Nongran lambat kiwe.
In our state, we have language barrier. We have cultural barriers. We have different lifestyles to some extent because cultures are slightly different. I would want the NPYF to ensure and to work towards building up more bridges, building up and bringing down these language barriers. Why can't some of our Garo friends start giving speech in Khasi? And why can't our Khasi friends start speaking in Garo? Let NPYF take this up. You must. This is the message that we should give to the state, that our youth will respect all communities, will respect all tribes. We are a state, and we must ensure that these small barriers that are there, which could be things that sometimes are areas of concerns, we can easily bring it down by taking these initiatives and learning.
Hadirin kajingra dan penkendri ajaka sa eki harijan na themyo maulong sakawai pat kajaka nakalyang tugi harijan kila dawa banyo la kajong kajaka hanong ba Shillong nakalyang ka KSU kala penpau bakam shong hok eki bandawa than ya kabam na along ni banle kun khadu dakaba dawa 8,000 square feet Shillong yeng
ki don kam ban lech jaka ba sarkar penbet ke kota fair sarkar penbet ikati nong trai jongka ongo ke kata ndai timdai pat ban peni pat ke jong Khubor ban dawa la jong ke jaka jong khendau jong yin ke sep tetapi persang ban le tumni nasarai umni tang mangi ban ki ban sar ndai apori kan sapoi bobon bolang kesakti dak nunu makar terlebih mikran dak bahasa kata tinggi krenu kerwo ke bahasa sepi beri bersang bahasa arti nai sokraw nai sobahe kat mi dengan syak dengan jam dak jing syak dak jing jam boro sekata dan maki kis persang pen ibat dak ni kalau dir kumlong koman ngatrai untuk kamhi yaki ben ong bakinang gawar tak kandau bersiap tak jaka pensnai ngasem ngatrai ndawa wandiang kejing kita sajisian secuak cungobun balang ngatrai kete jaka sumada anuma kata orang komisi selesai penipuan angkeran tersebut. Bandinget bagi sarkar kan suatu bakam dehi ban pensobha yang diberi hari kebelek ke jom kamram kum kalenti hari kebelek. Mar teng ada syak praying prasem ki perlu pasnam ngamjui ki perlu pasnam jungi kin dawa ang pasnai yang penting ndau jaka ini. Setaki ong bagi syong sak biya. Rente di bun mah syong biya sak biya. Yang bisa biya ni naik keren. Penkerja buat kita kinong try yang besar di an berkam ya keren lek dalam kamar kata kadi keju tipuang tentang government lek ko magale lang ni tipo pasnam ya kiju uru krimen akla di sini ya stik di beri bersama saat ini
Kinangkit kam juga All Khasi Hills Aceh Federation henen kasmi kilalet kendu eu menteri ramba ka Jylla ukarat ke sama bandawa thungkam hamana ki school bat ki college bala penya da sarkar da ki khasi bat daro khampam hakitu ki jaka pule badan West Khasi Hills kita kinongnya lam kilo ong shushu ba mentala sampusnan ka jingyo Jylla ka Meghalaya henry umdon block office ni ki we ki kampenroi hakite ki than kumta kila dawa mardore ka jingpenyo block office no ha konjoy nagbenta ka re ka par jong kite ki jaka badru ban bu no ka we ka police station ka Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People Garo Hills Zone mentakasni kalapan smo biang badeban wengno ya ka jewaria Islam naka post project officer joka Meghalaya Non-Conventional and Rural Energy Development Agency Shuaya kane ka FKJGP kala tho show director of MNREDA Henry hadu mentang ka sarkar kamshamale AA halor kane ka FKJGP Garo Hills Zone karaya tho bakalayo jingtep baka jawai ria Islam kane ka badang shudap shen ka bachelor's degree ha jing puli sociology na Guwahati University
Gaman niam ko jarak kija illegally appoint ka ani bidingon changa complaint letter ko na uni bidingon daw na kangkang ba chna mamang response pa dong puja agency ni director ni mamang dak intimation letter ang ba chuna sok puja ya mande ko ragal ha warani bidingon ba mamang cover ba chuna sok puja
Karon Bosco Youth Center ka way ni kislam ba ajing hikay ki khanna haki course computer media bat ki way ki soft skills mantakas ni ka apunyaw tarik uyayong kala please ka way ka course siya pang ka beautician ya kani ka course lawan pli de brother Barnabas Kriang ubade manager joka Don Bosco Technical School bala yoru ka jingkar khu ni ipadar Arcadius kuwen i principal joka Don Bosco Technical School la ukra Director joka Don Bosco Youth Center ilai ka jing khublai singongo yaki baro armut bakina yara but I mun see me ka Youth Center ban sedang ya ka tega beautician course Laban penken mawi ki nong pet bat nong kershan joka channel jengni baka Youth Center kadan kumba saupo arkli ki short term course ba pair bat ka bai seo kamde ka baram nalor ki danru ka placement nak banta ki khenna ki bale abha haki course jengki Mereka itu Khubor ngelakoi syukur bakut tak hadu bangin dia syambiang kublai syukur.